Good evening, ma'am.
So last class we were talking about circles. And circles, do you feel that it is interesting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we were talking about the circle. So you can note down in your workbook or any rough note. We have studied about center. Center is in the interior of the circle. Do you remember interior, exterior and all?
Yes, ma'am.
The center is in the interior. And interior, the middle part, when we start drawing the circle, there is a small hole in the paper and that is known as center. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a circle with, there will be a center and then we studied about radius.
Radius.
Radius is the line segment. This is a line segment. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Radius is a line segment.
Which also tells the measurement of the.
Okay. Radius is a line segment and it connects, radius connects center and one point of the circle. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Radius is a line segment. Radius, what is the shape of radius? It is a line segment.
Line segment.
Which connects. Connect means which joins center and one point of the circle. So radius is a line segment connecting center and one point of the circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is radius. And diameter is double of radius. This much things we studied. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Diameter is double of radius.
Double of radius.
Double of radius. So we studied three things: center, radius. Radius is the line segment connecting center and one point. And diameter is the double of radius. Radius. Next one is chord. C-H-O-R-D. C-H-O-R-D. Chord. Next part is, I'll show you. Chord. Okay. Chord. Okay, wait. Next part of the circle is chord. C-H-O-R-D. You can write C-H-O-R-D. C-H-O-R-D. Next part of the circle is chord. C-H-O-R-D. It is chord. Chord. It is not like sword. Don't pronounce like that. Don't read like that. It is chord. Chord. Okay. Chord. So it is chord. Chord is the okay. Wait. Yes. Yes. Somebody is calling me. Okay. If I draw a circle. Can you see the circle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Radius?
Yes, ma'am.
The radius?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
A circle with radius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the center?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the center? This is the center.
Yes, ma'am.
And this radius connects center and one point of the circle. And this is known as radius.
Yes,
Radius. And chord means chord connects two points of the circle like this.
Yes, ma'am.
A chord connects 2 points of the circle. A chord connects any 2 points of the circle. Any 2 points. I can draw a chord like this or from here to here one small chord.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can a diameter be a chord?
Wait. Let me explain after that. I will explain about that also. Listen to it. What is a chord, Ananya? What is a chord?
Ma'am, it connects 2 points.
2 points of the circle. Okay, very good. So this is a small chord. There is here also I can draw chord, and here, everywhere I can draw the chord like this. And in between this also I can draw. And here also I can draw. So a chord connects any 2 points of the circle. Okay. So many chords we can draw. So many chords. So a chord connects any 2 points of the circle. Are you did you understand about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand? Okay. So,
Ma'am, I am late.
yes,
Ma'am, I am late.
it's okay. I'll explain it again. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will draw one circle again. Okay. This is a circle with a radius, circle with a radius, and I'll draw chords. This is one chord. How many chords can we draw? Can anybody tell how many chords can we draw? Infinite number of chords. Infinite number of chords. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you understood about chord. Chord connects any 2 points of the circle.
Circle.
Okay. Okay. Let me move this. Okay, this is our board. Again. Yes. Wait. What? Why are you calling? Somebody is calling me?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Let me explain all this. Afterwards, you can ask the doubt. Okay, Smriti? Okay, so this is a chord. I can draw the chord like this. So, this is also a chord. Like this, we can draw many chords. In between, where is the center? This is the center, right? And when I draw the chord, I drew through the center also. What can you tell about this? When I drew, we drew through the center also, and this is the center. This is the center. So, when we are drawing chords, we can draw through the center also. When we can draw many chords, and we can draw through the center also. Okay. But when we draw chord through the center, it is known by another name. What is the name of it? Diameter. When a chord is passing through the center, the chord is known as diameter. Okay. So diameter is the chord passing through the center. So what is the speciality of the diameter? Diameter is the chord. Diameter is the chord passing through the center. So diameter has the connection with the chord, right? So diameter is the chord which passes through the center. And what is diameter? Can you connect diameter and radius?
No, yes, ma'am.
What is the connection between diameter and radius?
Ma'am, diameter is the double of radius.
Diameter is the double of radius. So diameter is, there are 2-3 specialities. One is that diameter is the chord passes through the center. One. Second one, diameter is double of the radius. And third one, diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Because I'll show it. I have drawn many chords like this. I have drawn many chords, and which is the longest chord? Can you identify?
And the diameter.
Diameter is the longest chord.
Diameter.
So now Smriti can ask me the doubt. What is the doubt, Smriti?
Ma'am, can one code pass to other code?
Pardon? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, can a code pass through another code?
Yes, both can intersect. Yes, that question you asked, no? I can draw a chord like this. This is also chords. These are also chords. So it will intersect. Of course, it will intersect. This is the doubt, no, Smriti?
Yes, ma'am.
So chord anyway you can draw anyway, but the chord which passes through the center is known as the diameter. Okay. So how many chords can we draw? How many chords can we Infinite number of chords. And how many diameters will be there for a circle?
One diameter.
Ma'am,
How many?
infinity.
Infinite number of diameters. We can draw infinite number of diameters because diameter is a chord. That chord passes through the center, right? So when if we are drawing diameter, this is one diameter. This is another diameter. Okay, I'll show it. Infinite number of diameter we can draw, but all will be of same length. All will be of same length. Okay, this is our circle. Okay, we can draw many diameters, but all diameters are of same length. Same length. We can draw diameters like this. Okay. Have you ever seen such kind of anything anything in your surroundings? Very good. Ashoka Chakra and spikes. In Ashoka Chakra, where it is written Satyameva Jayate and all, no. There we can see how many spikes were there?
24.
Spikes? 24 spikes will be there for the Ashoka Chakra in our flag, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So circles and diameters we can see, we can find in the flag, in our national flag, right? So many diameters we can draw, but all diameters are of same length. Okay. So did you understand about the diameters? Okay. So from the starting onwards, I'll tell center. Do you remember about center? Then I'll ask one person. Sanega is not visible. Geetika, what is a radius? Radius?
Is the line that connects the center and any other point and the other point.
Okay. The radius is the line segment
That
connecting.
connects
It is not line. It is line segment connecting the center and any point of the circle. Okay. And just now we studied about code. What is the code? I'll ask somebody. Kanishk, will you tell? What is a code? What is a code, Kanishk? Yes, Kanishk, forgot. Who will tell?
Ma'am, can I say?
Vrissa P. Vibin. Okay, tell the answer. What is a code?
Ma'am, a chord connects any 2 points of a circle.
Very good. A chord connects any 2 points of the circle. Wait. I'll ask somebody else. Sanega. Okay, Sanega. So, can you tell any one speciality of the diameter? We have studied 3 specialities. Can you tell any one speciality of diameter?
Diameter is double of radius.
Diameter is double of radius. Very good. Second one.
It passes through the center of the circle.
It passes through the center of the circle. Then, Namasya, can you connect a chord? What is the connection between a chord and a diameter? Yes.
Ma'am, diameter is the longest chord.
Diameter is the longest chord. Very good. Then that chord passes through the center is known as diameter. And diameter is double of radius. This much, are you thorough with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you are all, any doubt in these topics?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
if you have
ma'am.
any doubt, you ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are moving to the next part. Okay. Listen, let me ask you one question. Is center a part of a circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Center is a part of the circle. Where is center? Where is the place
In
of
the middle of
center?
the circle.
In the middle of the circle.
Interior, exterior, and on the circle.
Interior.
If it is a part of a circle, it will be on the
On the
circle.
circle.
So center we will not consider as a part of the circle, but when you study about the parts of the circle in a detailed way, we will study about center also. Center, diameter, radius, chord, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So center is on the circle, interior of the circle. It is not on the circle. Listen. So next we will study about the other part of the circle, and it is known as arc. A-R-C. Will you write? A-R-C. Arc.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Do you have bangles? You have glass bangles also?
Oh, ma'am.
You have many bangles with you. In those bangles, you might have any glass bangles also. If you are breaking any bangle, if you observe that bangle pieces, what is the shape of that bangle piece?
Semicircle.
Only semicircle. Semicircle means half of it. If you break a bangle into pieces,
Arc.
so semicircle, it is not semicircle. An arc is a part of a circle. Arc is a part of a circle. That means when we break bangles, we'll get a small pieces now. Actually, arc is of that shape. I'll show it again. Okay, children, I'll take compass and draw the arc. Okay. So this is our compass. Only very less. This is known as arc. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Arc is a part of a circle. A very small part. But did you understand about arc now?
Part of the circle.
What is arc?
Part of a circle.
Part of the circle.
No need of using that small part. Arc is a part of a circle. We will discuss about that. Can be a small arc or a big arc like that. Okay. Now, this is our arc. I have drawn already. This is our arc. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'll draw the circle and I'll draw the arc. So when I draw arc, it is a very small arc. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, if I draw arc, I can draw some more big. This is also an arc.
Yes, ma'am.
Then again I have drawn arc like this up to this. Okay. This is known as semicircle.
Semicircle.
This is known as semicircle.
Semicircle.
Because if you take the other part, if you continue to draw, we continue and fill the other part, we will get a perfect circle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, you did not understand it. It is known as a semicircle if See, we have the circle with us. This is our circle. Can you see the circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, wait. If I draw the other part of it, radius. What is this? What is this? When I draw this,
Diameter.
it is diameter. It is diameter, right?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
diameter. Now, if we are drawing one arc now. Someone is making noise. Who is that? Who is that? Okay. So, this is an arc, one part of the circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When I extended it, it is again an arc.
Yes, ma'am.
But its length is some more longer.
Long.
Now again I have drawn up to this much. And when we have drawn up to this much, this is also an arc. Can you see the arc now? Blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, blue one. Now, when we extended that arc till the end, two ends of the diameter, till the two ends of the diameter. Can you see the diameter and its end?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the center with the blue. This is the end, two ends of the diameter. So when we draw the arc and till one end of the diameter to the other end, it is known as semicircle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we draw the arc or when we extend an arc from one end of the diameter to the other end, that arc is known as semicircle.
Semicircle.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I hope you understood. So we can draw the arc. We can draw the arc, very small arc, and some more big, and some more big, till when you draw, till when it reaches the diameter, it is known as the semicircle.
Semicircle.
When we draw the other part of it, we can complete one circle.
Circle.
So how many semicircle will be there to complete one circle?
Two.
Semicircles. Two semicircles. Yes.
Ma'am, we can draw arc only till a semicircle comes.
Listen to it. Listen to me. Okay. So how many semicircles will complete a circle? Two semicircles. Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, Ananya. You listen to me and you listen to the explanation. Okay. And if I did not explain anything, you can ask the doubt. Okay. I did not reach there. So before reaching, you don't ask this type of questions. Let me reach there. Okay. Now I am explaining about the semicircle. Did you understand about semicircle?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we reached only up to this. Okay. Now, after this, the arc became bigger and bigger. That means longer arc. Now, if I complete this arc, it becomes a circle.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if our circle, our arc, this is the end of the diameter, two ends, and when we draw the arc up to this, and from here also if we extend, can you see the long line there? Long line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a long line, and this is a longer arc, more than the diameter, more than the semicircle, longer arc, right? I'll draw it again. See, I'll draw it again. We can draw many arc. One small arc, I extended up to this. Okay. Now, it is more than semicircle, right?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is a longer arc. It is more than semicircle.
Semicircle.
Okay. And it is known as major arc. Major arc. It is known as major arc. Why it is major arc? It is more than a semicircle and it is a longer arc. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, listen. So it is known as a major arc. Okay, children, listen. Now I will draw a major arc. I'll draw a major arc in this circle. Any other color. Okay. So this is an arc like this. I extended. Can you see a violet color? Is it visible? Or I'll change the color. I'll change the color. if you want.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll erase. Okay, I'll erase and I'll draw another circle with any color. Okay, blue. Okay, this is our circle. Now I'll use any other color. Which color you want? Tell me.
Red.
Okay, red. Okay. So this is the diameter. I started drawing the arc like this, up to this, and I finished, passed through the other end of the diameter also, up to this. This longer arc is almost 3/4 of the circle, right? You passed half of the circle and it is almost 3/4.
3/4.
This arc is red color. This arc is known as major arc. Major arc. And the other part of the circle, I'll use any other color. This green color I'll use. The other part, can you see this part?
Yes, ma'am.
It is just opposite of it and it is known as minor arc. Major and minor.
Minor means
Okay.
smaller.
Minor arc. That small arc which complete the circle is known as minor arc. I will explain it. When we draw a major arc, that means a long arc. The small portion which we did not made the arc, that we left, that small portion. But this portion and this portion, when you join, you will get a circle. Isn't it?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. I'll draw it again. See, children, this is a major arc.
Big one.
And this one is a minor arc. But when you join a minor arc and a major arc, you will get a complete circle. Let me join this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you understand the idea of a minor arc and a major arc?
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya, Vijesh, now you cleared your doubts. Yes, Ananya? Ananya, Vijesh? She's
Yes,
not
ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, then what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt.
Now is it clear? Okay, Ananya. Now, this is about major arc and minor arc. Listen, when you draw the parts of the circle, you draw only arc. I just specified about major arc and minor arc only. You just draw only arc. You understood what is arc? Arc is a part of a circle. Always remember the piece of the bangle pieces. It is a perfect example of arc. And did you understand about major arc and minor arc?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Somebody is asking me? Okay, children. So I will send the notes today and you have to study and come for the next class. I'll ask all about this. Okay. Shall I leave now? Only now very less portions for us. Now we have to study about sector and segment, only that. Now our chapter will be complete by next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We'll meet you again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meet you again for the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.